Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a super duper 4th of July. That's right, this is the 4th of July Milorganite throwdown. See? We're ready for this. Are you ready for it? I've got 2 of the old formula bags of Milorganite. I believe this was the this is the 520, 4% iron. It's pretty windy today, but I got these bags from a nice lady off Facebook, and then I'm going to be using this old vintage spreader. This is a Cyclone Cedar company. I've never used it before to spread anything. I thought Milorganite would be the perfect application to use it for. I don't know any spreader settings or anything, so putting down Milorganite, no big deal. Now, usually I put 1 bag on the front yard, 1 bag on the backyard. Well, the backyard, I'm only running the Sunday lawn in the backyard. I'm only running the Sunday lawn program, so I don't want to put extra Milorganite down them back there anyway. So we're gonna get set up here, and we're gonna put 2 bags. I only have about 3,000 square feet, so we're gonna go double the rate. Why not? So now this spreader, my parents' neighbors were throwing it out. Just found it on the side of the road. My parents know that I'm a lawn geek, so they saved it for me. You can tell that it's obviously been used, but it still works. I did have to make an adjustment. The spinner was hitting, so basically needed a new bushing or nut inside there. I was able to find a rubber one. It'll work, and then no product will leak out either. And then also, it looks like the previous owner had basically the agitator broke, and so he's got this set screw, this screwdriver clamp in here with a little hook and this little plastic spacer. Hard to see, but it does the job, and so I figured why not. We got this old spreader. We got our old bags of Milorganite. Getting ready for 4th of July. Let's do it. Bag number 2 in there. Alright, there we have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. This was the 4th of July Milorganite throwdown. I don't know about you guys, but one of the great things to check out when looking for lawn tools, products, things like that, is to check out the Facebook marketplace. I was just scrolling through the other day and I saw 2 bags of Milorganite, $10. So I thought, what the heck? I know I said I wasn't going to put down much Milorganite this year, but 2 bags, $10, why not? So I'm just on my way to go pick those bags up, and then we'll throw them down probably in a couple weeks. So I think we're almost there. It's just on the edge of town here. Alright, we got the Milorganite in the back. Visited with the lady that I bought purchases from. She got this beautiful property out here, beautiful pond in the background. Turns out we both did the same profession back in the day, so it was very cool to meet another person who's into the outdoors. We got a beautiful property there, and now we got our 2 bags of Milorganite, so let's head back home.